Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and this is the Grazia Best of Beauty from Glossybox. This is the limited edition box that was released around a week ago, I believe, something like that. So the cost of the box is £45. It contains 12 beauty products and it has a value of £150. All links and everything related to the subscription, plus extra information about the contents, you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you're to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So we've got a little card in here and it details everything about the products, so I'll refer to this as we go on. And those are all the products in there. All jumbled up, but we'll go through it one by one now. First up is something for the nails, and I'm really excited about this. Hydrating Cutenut. Cutenut? What the heck is a cutenut? No, Hydrating Cuticle Oil, and it's by the brand Cutex. It says healthier looking nails and cuticles, and there's 13.6 mils here. Always have dry cuticles. They're not looking too bad, but yeah, reluctant to show you. Can you see? Ooh, no, I don't like them. I've got a few oils lying around. I've even got one in my car, so if I'm just sat waiting for the kids to come out of school, I'll try and remember to put a bit of oil on my nails. But oh, I love the fact that I've got a new one. So let's see what it's like. There, I'll only just put it on 2 of my nails. Oh my word, there's loads there. There's loads there. So I've applied it to my thumb. My thumb and my finger. The scent is almonds. It's really nice. Yeah. So then, what can I tell you about it here? This is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £5.99. Keep their nails looking the very best with this rejuvenating cuticle oil. This nourishing, lightweight formula infused with replenishing vitamin E and sweetly scented almond oil glides effortlessly across your nail beds to leave them looking healthier and more hydrated. Yeah, I like that. Next, we got a product by James Reed, and this is the Gradual Tan H2O Tan Drops for the face. And this is in shade light to medium. And we've got 15 mils here. You just add a few drops like that. Mix it in with your moisturiser, your primer, foundation for an all over gradual glow. This is Deluxe Mini and you can purchase this for £15. For the full size 30 mils, it will cost you £30. These tan drops will work in partnership with your daily skincare essentials, transforming your favourite moisturiser, foundation or serum into a made to measure self tan. There's that. Next we've got a product by Iconic London, and this is a Luster lip oil. It's a clear lip oil there. I really like this brand. I received a box from Look Fantastic, a limited edition. Product's really nice. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £21. With the high shine of a gloss and moisture of a balm, this hybrid makeup meets skincare product is a must for your beauty bag. An ultra nourishing formula drenches lips to leave you with an instantly fuller looking pout. Next we got a little sample of Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, vitamin C and collagen boosted from the Truth range, and we got 3 mils here. And I've tried this as well. The Truth range is lovely. It is really nice. Oh, I can't open it up. This is a really nice travel size actually. I have got the full size one. I've got a load of eye creams, and I use different ones all the time. But yeah, look at that. This is teeny tiny. But it is a nice little travel size if you're going away for the night or something, isn't it? But yeah, I do really like it. Yeah. So that will be going in my drawer. Well, it's not a drawer, it's a clear drawer. It's an advent calendar drawer that I had last year, and it's underneath my bed, and it's full of little products like this, of products that I have tried and I do like, but in miniature sizes. So if I do go away for the night and I want to downsize the products, so if I want to go on holiday or something, then yeah, I got them under my bed to take with me. This is Deluxe Mini and it is worth £6.60. The full size is 14 mils and it's worth £33. Inspired by makeup artists must have banana powder, this sunny yellow brightening eye cream contains special pigments that will instantly brighten and colour correct your eye area. It also targets fine lines and wrinkles and deeply hydrates your skin. Next we've got a mascara, and this is by Too Faced. This is Better Than Sex, and yeah, this is a little mini one. You can buy them at this size, I think for about £10. Does it say here? Yeah, £9.75 for a little mini. It's one of my favourite ever mascaras. Not the best for under eyes. For me anyway, I've got hardly any lashes. They're very short, very thin. I need a much narrower wand for my under eyes, but I love this mascara. It really helps in thickening, lengthening. Yeah, I love it. To buy the full size, it will cost you £22. It's got mascara. Then we've got a product by Colour Wow, and this is a 1 minute transformation styling cream. Instantly remoisturises and eliminates frizz. We've got 30 mils there. And I don't think I've ever tried this. Create the perfect styling under 60 seconds. Develop for colour treated hair. This all-in-one formula transforms parched, unruly hair into glossy, polished style without blow drying hair from wet. This is a deluxe mini and it's worth £9. The full size is 120 mils and it'll cost you £19. Got a styling cream. Next, we've got a product by bareMinerals, and this is the Ageless 10% Phyto Retinol Night Concentrate. And we've got 8 mils here. It's got a little mini size there. This mini is worth £14. To buy the full size, which is 30 mils, it'll cost you £52. Working overnight to significantly reduce visible fine lines and wrinkles, this clever lotion evens skin tone in just 1 week. A plant-based retinol alternative, it delivers age-defying benefits without redness or sensitivity, while powerful ingredients, hyaluronic acid and protein peptides intensely hydrate and firm the skin. Next we've got a lipstick crayon by Laura Mercier. This is in shade Fresh. Ooh. There, you're seeing it before me. It's a nice rosy shade of lipstick there. I've got a few Laura Mercier ones now. I'm not sure I've got this one. I know I've got a red one and a more browny one. More like a nude. This is a Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. This is Deluxe Mini and it's worth £7.35. This full size will cost you £24.50. This modern matte lipstick in shade Fresh is so seductive in colour, touch and texture, it's irresistible. Mattifying powders and silky conditioners envelope your lips in the softness and comfort of Velour, while pigment-rich colour delivers full coverage intensity in a single stroke. Next we got something by Bobbi Brown, and this is a Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in shade Golden Pink. Again, love eyeshadow sticks, super handy, quick and easy, apply over your lids, blend them in. Yeah, I really like them. There, that's pretty, isn't it? Really pretty. So this is Deluxe Mini and the recommended retail price is £26. This golden pink shade glides onto lids and can be used to shade define, smoker or highlight eyes. Plus it stays put for up to around 8 hours. Next we've got a sample of a primer by Smashbox. This is their #1 primer. It's their Photo Finish primer and I love this one. I do love it. I have the full-size version of this and a load of little minis, which I keep under my bed because I do love it. Out of all their products, I'd say their primers for me are my favourites. So yeah. It's worth £6.86. The full size at 30 mils is worth £29. For a makeup base that's super smooth and free of flaws, this iconic clear face primer gel is the one. Cruelty-free, vegan and developed to ensure your makeup looks better and lasts longer. This primer also protects the skin thanks to key ingredients vitamin A and E. See that? Next we got a Beyond Powder by Illamasqua. This is a highlighting powder and this is in shade Oh My God or OMG. So it looks like they got a mirror. No, I've already got one of these, so I'll be passing that on. This is full size, £34. It says subtly add a warm hue to the complexion with this highlighting powder. Whether you want to achieve an all-over illuminating finish or simply highlight certain points, this ensures you end up with a natural radiant glow. It's not too over-the-top shimmery. It's quite subtle and you can build it up. Yeah, I do really like that. And then lastly, we've got a shaver for the face, and this is by Hollywood Browzer Hair Removal and Dermaplaning Tool. I am new to all this. I have done it twice. And I was really nervous at first. I was thinking, oh my word, is it going to leave me with really nasty stubble, you know, a couple of days down the line? But no, it doesn't. It just comes back to what it was before. I did it, oh god, I don't know, maybe a month, 2 months ago. It's getting fluffy again now. But yeah, these are good. These are good. Lots of tips on how to use it. You can also use it for your eyebrows, to shape your eyebrows underneath or on top. It says includes one browser and a protective pouch. So that's a little pouch there. And then that's the blade. This is full size and the recommended retail price for this browser is £8.95. You have to try this award-winning eyebrow shaper, hair removal and dermaplaning tool. Shaping the brows and removing unwanted facial hair has never been easier. The browser quickly, easily and painlessly rids skin of peach fuzz and unwanted hair, whilst removing the dead skin cells and built up debris at the same time, leaving you with a brighter, smoother, radiant complexion. Yeah. So you got that, and those are all the products. So I'm just going to go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Cutex Cuticle Oil. We've got a James Read Gradual Tan Drops. We've got an Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. We've got a bareMinerals Plant Retinol Serum. We've got a Colour Wow Styling Cream. We've got a Hollywood Browzer Peach Fuzz Tool. We've got Laura Mercier Lip Crayon in shade Fresh. We've got a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick in gold and pink. We've got an Iconic London Hydrating Lip Oil. We've got a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. We've got an Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And lastly, we've got a Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So there's 12 products in all. The cost of the box is £45 and it has a value of £150. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you purchased it, or have you been wondering if this is a box for you or not? Or do you think, nah, do you know what, it's not for me? I'd be curious in hearing what you think of it. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.